got another Machine Gun Kelly lesson for you. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Nothing Inside. So as always, if this video helps you, please hit the like button. It helps my channel more than you know. If you have any questions, leave in the comments section. I'll be happy to answer them. And subscribe for more lessons from this artist. Enjoy. So for this song, we're going to tune down a half step. So for the verse, we're going to start on an A minor chord. So you're going to place your middle finger on the second fret of the D string, your ring finger on the second fret of the G string, and your pointer finger on the first fret of the B string. And you're going to pick the A string, D string, high E string, A string, D string, B string. Then you do that whole thing again. Then we're going to go to an F major 7 chord. So you're going to place your thumb on the first fret of the low E string, your ring finger on the third fret of the A string, your pinky finger on the third fret of the D string, your middle finger on the second fret of the G string, and your pointer finger on the first fret of the B string. And you're going to pick the low E string, D string, high E string, low E string, D string, B string, low E string, D string. Then you're going to lift your pointer finger and pluck the B string again. Then low E string, D string. And you're going to place your pointer finger back on the first fret of the B string and pluck the B string. Then we're going to go to a C major bar chord. So you're going to bar the third fret from the A string with your pointer finger. And you're also going to bar the D, G, and B strings on the 5th fret. And you're going to pick the A string, D string, high E or B string, A string, D string, G string. Then you do that whole thing again. Then we're going to go to a C with a C major with a B bass. So you're just going to slide your pointer finger down 1 fret, and you're going to pick the A string, D string, B string, A string, D string, G string, A string, D string, and you're going to lift your pinky finger and place your ring finger on the 4th fret of the G string and pluck the G string. Then A string. Then you're going to put your bar back and pluck the D string, and then the G string. And all put together, it sounds like this. Then we're going to go back to the F major 7 chord right before the chorus. Now the chorus. The chorus is made up of 4 chords, the first of which is a C major chord, which we already learned. Next is a G major chord. So you're going to bar the 3rd fret with your pointer finger. You're going to place your ring finger on the 5th fret of the A string, your pinky finger on the 5th fret of the D string, and your middle finger on the 4th fret of the G string. Next is an A minor bar chord. So you're going to bar the 5th fret with your pointer finger. You're going to place your ring finger on the 7th fret of the A string and your pinky finger on the 7th fret of the D string. And then last is an F major chord. So you're just going to take the G major chord and move it down 2 frets. And all put together, it sounds like this. Now the riff during the second verse. So this starts on an open A string, then 2nd fret D string, open A string, 2nd fret D string. Now the riff during the verse. So this starts on an open A string, then 2nd fret D string, and do that again. Then open A string, 3rd fret D string, open A string, 2nd fret D string, then 1st fret low E string, 2nd fret D string, and do that again. 1st fret low E string, open G string, 1st fret low E string, 2nd fret D string, then 3rd fret A string, 2nd fret D string, do that again, 3rd fret A string, 3rd fret D string, 3rd fret A string, 2nd fret D string, then 2nd fret A string, open D string, then do that again, then 2nd fret A string, 2nd fret D string, 2nd fret A string, then open D string. And then the second time it does that, when it gets quiet, we're just going to do open A string, D string, 4 times. Then 1st fret low E string, 2nd fret D string, 4 times. Then 3rd fret A string, 2nd fret D string, 4 times. Then 2nd fret A string, open D string, 4 times. And then back to our F major 7 chord again. And all put together, it sounds like this. Now the bridge. This is made up of 2 chords, the first of which is an A minor chord, which we already learned. And then an F major chord, which we also learned already. And all put together, it sounds like this. And that's it for Nothing Inside. Like I mentioned, if this video helped you, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section. And subscribe for more lessons from this artist. Thanks.